Lancaster Greensand Natural Fertilizer is a mineral-rich soil amendment that steadily feeds plants with natural potassium, iron, and other trace elements. Because it improves both aeration and moisture-holding capacity, it is especially effective at transforming heavy clay or very sandy ground into a friendlier growing environment. The product is made from ancient marine deposits and contains only glauconite greensand, so it fits well into organic and regenerative gardening practices. Gardeners and farmers can use it safely around vegetables, ornamentals, lawns, and pastures without worrying about burning roots or shocking sensitive plants. Its slow-release action supports stronger root systems and more resilient growth over time rather than giving a brief surge of nutrients. Lancaster Agriculture Products backs this greensand with decades of experience focused on soil health, which shows in the consistent quality and performance users report in their gardens and fields.